The water can add heat to the leaf, and it makes a film, and it burns silver. Okay? I don't know if they were hungry, but sometimes.
Oh!
Okay? All right, now. You see the big malanga leaves on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, the native Indians, the Taino Indians, when they were around, when they would build the frame of their huts, they would use them as shingles. And then they would take the royal palms and they would sew them in and they would make totally waterproof huts. And the other interesting fact about the malanga, that if you pull that plant out, the root is a starchy root, like a potato. In other words, you can boil it or fry it and eat it. Okay, guys? And over here, I had some mineral stones. Over here, I have
Come on, baby.
Okay, these mineral stones, back in the days, the native Indians, the Taino Indians, when they were around, they would use it as sunblock. They would use it as insect repellent. And they would use it for the enrichment of their skin. Esta negra buena. Okay, so like when you guys go to a spa and get your faces covered up in minerals,
Wow. It's not gonna hurt you. Mama first. Mama first. This is gonna make my skin beautiful. I want some. I need to be beautified.
It's just pain.
That's all right. I'll take a little. Anything's better than what I have. Yeah, I want some of that Indian paint on my face too.
Yeah? I'm gonna start doing my makeup like that.
That is incredible. I want to feel like a native. Can somebody hit me up?
Oh, I can hit you.
No, not like that kind of hit. That will hurt. I don't want to hurt.
I want to.
This is amazing.
Don't worry.
This is amazing.
I got you.
Like,
It's not.
yeah, you can get hurt doing it too. I see. Wow, different colors and.
Where?
On the forehead, or no, on my nose, and yeah. There you go. Something to remember me by. This rainforest. Yeah, I know
hey guys, did we tell you this comes off 6 months later?
6 months? Okay.
That's okay.
That's all right. Let me make sure I get a good shot of that.
Everybody knows where you've been. What's that on your face? Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Something to make you beautiful that you'll never be able to get.
You're beautiful.
It feels pretty good though. I mean, I don't know if it's supposed to or not, but now those fish that just